In this video, we are going to learn about a auto group joiner by using bulk WhatsApp sender software. First, open the bulk WhatsApp sender software. And next, go to the tools menu. Auto group joiner. This tool is very useful to join the number of groups automatically. Let us see the process. First, we click on Start Now button, and next here upload your Excel file, and next set your delay settings, and next click on the Click to Initiate button. Here Chrome is open automatic. Then scan your WhatsApp web by using QR code. And next click on the Start Joining button. Here we will join the groups automatically. By using this tool, we can join the number of groups automatically.